Forget your caros, make brigadeiros. What are brigadeiros? Brigadeiros are essentially Brazilian truffles. Now, I know that many people watching have ways that they make their brigadeiros. I'm making the most basic one, chocolate brigadeiro. The ingredients are a tablespoon of butter. Doesn't it look lonely? So we're gonna cheer it up a little bit by putting in a can of sweetened condensed milk. Do you guys know any cool things you can make with condensed milk? I mean, audience people? Ooh. Now, do you know how you make dulce de leche? You want me to tell you the biggest secret on planet Earth? You put this can into a pot like this, just put it like this, with water to here, and just gently boil it for like maybe 40 minutes, an hour. And then when you stir it, it's dulce de leche. Okay, I'm pouring in this. It all goes together. This is how easy this is. Now, this is sweetened condensed milk. I mean, it seems like a superfood or something to me. And dulce de leche is essentially caramelized sweetened condensed milk. Reggie and I once did a Brazilian barbecue. And one of the things we served was that. And it was white on top. And I was like, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. It's not going to work, Reg. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. Reggie puts the spoon in and stirs it. And it's like this beautiful caramel color because it was just white on the top. Okay, and then I'm going to put a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. This is the biggest mess maker in your kitchen. Oh, please don't make a mess. 1/4 cup. And mix it together a little bit. In advance, I have greased a pan. Taking this to the stove, low heat, and we're going to stir this, kind of melting it all in a meltiness until when I draw the spoon through, it stays open for 2 to 3 seconds. Right now, it's only staying open for a second. Now, you can make this with white chocolate. Those are commonly rolled in coconut. La 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 la. Brigadeiros. I'm just going to put in a little bit of salt. You can put in more or less salt. It's kind of up to you. Okay, this is very thick. I would probably recommend using a less high pot. I'm now just going to pour this mixture into my greased pan. I'm just making it even. And then we're going to chill this for about an hour. Ooh, mama. Brigadeiros. Let's see what happens when they come out of the refrigeradero. Brigadeiros, brigadeiros, brigadeiros. Will it work? Nobody knows. But guess what this is fun for? You saw how easy it was? You know who can make this? A child. Now, if you want to have fun with a kid, have them roll brigadeiros with you. The question is, will it roll easily? My suspicion is yes, but I want to tell you, if I was a kid, I wouldn't mind rolling some brigadeiros. So let's roll some brigadeiros. I have some chocolate sprinkles here. You can also coat them in coconut. You can also coat them in a sort of sweetened cocoa powder with even a little cayenne in it. Just saying. You could also put a little chili in this before you take it out of the pan. It's a versatile recipe. Let's try and roll a brigadeiro. The boys, Sam and Leo, my incredible estate managers, housekeepers, told me they should be about 1.5 inches in diameter, which is really big. As a non-sweets person, that seems too big to me. But I'm going to dig out a portion here, and then I'm going to see if I can roll this. Oh, I definitely can. Oh, man! I mean, if I was a kid, this would be my idea of complete and total heaven. Oh, these are going to feature heavily next Christmas. Sam and Leo told me that there isn't a single party in Brazil that doesn't have brigadeiros. You're supposed to store them in the fridge and in one layer, not multiple layers. It's delicious. I don't know how you could eat more than 2 of those, though. I'm just going to rinse my hands. My mixture is probably a tiny bit soft, but it's absolutely exquisite. exquisitely delicious. You could change this up with a little chili oh, that would be so good. You can coat it with anything you'd like. Cayenne pepper, cocoa powder, powdered sugar. I'm now gonna put these in the fridge, store them in a single layer, and bring them out, perhaps for my Valentine. Would you like a Brigadeiro? La 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 la. Brigadeiros.